Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing loose food immediately. Scrape with a nylon or silicone tool to protect the surface. Once done, fill the sink with hot water and add 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap. This loosens grease and reduces grinding. Let the pan soak for 10 to 20 minutes, then scrub gently with a non-abrasive pad. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft towel so water spots don't form. This prevents mineral marks early on. Once the basic clean is done, tackle tougher stains with a baking soda paste, 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water, and let it sit about 15 minutes to lift discoloration. For burnt-on sugar or brown rings, simmer a mix of water and 1 cup white vinegar in the pan. The acidity loosens carbonized bits so you can scrape them away. Make sure to finish by rinsing well and polishing with a soft cloth and a drop of mineral oil to restore shine. You complete maintenance by drying every piece immediately and storing lids separately to avoid trapped moisture. To prevent future issues, preheat pans slowly and use a burner that matches the pan size so heat distributes evenly. If white cloudy mineral deposits appear, use diluted vinegar and rinse. Avoid chlorine bleach, which damages stainless steel. If you spot pitting or deep corrosion, stop using the cookware and consult the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.